Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to publish anything in your site. So, first of all, make sure that you are opening your WordPress dashboard by going to wordpress.com/wp-admin, and from there we will be starting. So after you open this page, it will be looking something like that, and here we can see our website. So that's our website, how it looks like. It's really just random website. I made this just for the sake of these tutorials. Now you have to go now back to your dashboard. If you don't know how to go back from here, you guys click on my site and it will take you back. Now, sorry guys, now for example, let's say that you have posted something and you want to publish it on your site. What you have to do, add new post. It will take a little bit of time to load, so 5 seconds, 6 seconds, okay, something like that. And from here you can type whatever you want, your blog or something like that, article name, article 1. Here we come in article test tutorial, and down below you can start typing whatever you like. Picture, for example, let's add a picture from here, upload picture. Here we can pick, for example, this one. We can add a text in here, hidden, part 1, go down, type something like that. So how you can publish it now, you just have to click in the top right corner, publish, and click publish again. If it happened that you updated your website or your page, for example, you added something in here, you just have to click on updates and it will be updated. Now let's go back and let's do this on another thing, for example a page. Let's go to a page and let's add a new page by going in here, add new page, and now let's wait a little bit until it loads. Let's select this one and let's name it coming soon page, and as well we click on publish, and here it is, published on your website. Here's how you can view it. Here it is. And yeah guys, that's how you can actually publish something on your website. So thank you guys for watching and see you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.